Hey guys, today let's learn how to set any song as your ringtone on your iPhone. What we are gonna discuss is how to set any song, any recording, any sound as a ringtone on your iPhone. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch our settings application. And let's go ahead and tap on sound and haptics. I can actually go ahead and tap on our ringtone over here and tap on the preferred cellular card to choose and set a specific ringtone. As you see, I already have my custom songs already on here. And let's say, how do I do that? Well, actually utilized a third-party application, which you guys also have on your device, which is GarageBand. So I want you to go ahead and launch GarageBand. And if you don't have the application, download on your device. I would like you either proceed with downloading the application on your device as well. But essentially, once the download is done, I want you to go in and proceed with launching the application and then basically choosing or recording. But basically, we do have a few options to do on there. Want us to create our own song using the pianos, guitars that is on the GarageBand, or we could also record our voice or record any song that we have. You could have a specific song running on your background and using the recorder option on your GarageBand to record that song so that you could use it as your ringtone. It also imports some files that you have on your device. Let's say MP3 files or MP4 files, and get the sound or MP3 of those files to be used on your GarageBand music. And once your song is already created, you can now go ahead and save that song on your device. You're gonna have an option on there to use that song as a ringtone. Now, once you've already done so, you could actually rename your song and you can find it easily over on your ringtone options under here. So, and that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.